Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
And I'm wondering if you still do those.
We do.
Is it just for Norton, or do you
no.
do other? I live in a building that's a 1920s building, and the door closer is a Corbin, a Potbelly, and I just didn't know if you do those or not.
We do, absolutely. PF Corbin, yep, they've been in business since the mid-19th century and 170 years old today.
Oh, well, okay. I might have just answered my problem. We need a new one, and I just didn't. We have nice design in the entryway, so I didn't want to spoil it with something that didn't fit. So,
sure. So the upside is that we can repair it. Your cost is about $300. Just not looking at the website.
Right.
The downside is that the closer is not handicap compliant at all. So if that opening needed to be handicap compliant, you should be aware of the fact that that old 100-year-old technology is not compliant with current requirements for accessibility guidelines.
Sure. That's probably a good point, huh?
Well,
so
it may not be important at all because it could be a historical building in Manhattan, which they all are. It's like, we're good. Does not have to be handicap compliant. Or we have another opening that's handicap compliant, that kind of thing. Just making you aware of it so that you were an informed person about it.
Mm-hmm. Well, I appreciate that because I'm getting of that age. So what would be the process if I wanted to move forward?
I would like to see. We would just enter an order. We would enter an order. We would take your money. I would email you where to ship it to. We would repair it and send it back. I would like to see a photograph of it so that I entered the order as the proper Corbin closer. And then we would discuss the other, when we were actually entering the order, I would ask you some other pertinent questions.
Okay. Well, it looks like my first step would be to figure out if I need the compliant part.
Most certainly. My guess is that if it's not come up to this point, the answer is no. No, you don't. Because anything modern that's going to be handicap compliant will sure not look like the unit you have now.
Right. They're more like the rectangle boxes.
Yes, ma'am. That's precisely correct.
Mm-hmm. And I think if I have to go that route, I think the Norton seems to be a good one.
I would not agree with that. Would not be my closer of choice. But putting something on there that's handicap compliant, I would just say stick with Corbin. Stick with, go back with a Corbin closer rather than, Norton and Corbin are sister companies. I personally had bad luck with Norton closers. I just shrug my shoulders. I don't know why they fail.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm happy to hear your thoughts. Okay, a Corbin, but the more modern style.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, Corbin has a full complement of modern door closers.
Okay. Well, okay. So let's see. I guess your name is
Richard.
Oh, are you Richard?
I am.
I enjoyed your video.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'll just probably maybe once I get ready. If shipping must be fairly hefty too. These are heavy units, aren't they?
Yeah, I would probably say they weigh 8 pounds or something like that.
Well, that's not so bad. Okay. I will investigate the handicap aspect and for instance, like right now, we have a stopper at the bottom that, we can open it that way or keep it open that way.
Hold open. Yeah, kick down door holder. Sure. not handicap compliant.
Okay. All right. I can't think of anything else to ask right now. This is the best number to reach you on, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your help, and I'm excited to think we can keep integrity.
Oh, that's a promise. While your closer is old, it's not the oldest we've done. Our record is, I think, about 1904. But would love to do yours. 1920.
Yeah, I mean, from an exterior perspective, it's in good shape.
Well, when it comes back, it'll be fully painted. It'll look reasonably new.
Okay, great. All right, and around 300, which is kind of in the same range as a new one, right?
No, new ones. No. New ones would be not less than double that cost. Oh, a modern one? Yes. If you got a top-of-the-line Corbin modern closer, yeah, you'd see about 300. But if you tried to replace that Potbelly, it would be more than double that with another Potbelly.
Yes. No, I didn't make myself clear, but
yeah,
you got it.
We should be able to give you another century of service out of it, though, so there you go.
There you go. Can't argue with that.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I want to be around to see it.
I probably won't be either.
Okay. Well, Richard, thank you so very much. And again, my name is Mary Kahn, and I'll be back in touch with you.
Thank you for calling.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.
I found it for you.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.